Hi everybody, NCWQ here. Time is 7:56 p.m. The date is 8/25/2024. I have y'all looking at EMSC, and a 6.9 earthquake at 102 kilometers in depth has hit in Tonga, and a 6.1 at 107 kilometers in depth in Tonga has hit 25 minutes ago. The 6.9 hit 27 minutes ago. So let's go take a look at the back page for seismic data. And as we can tell, we're looking at both these for Tonga. This one is coming in with 3 as, let's go down here. This one is coming in as a high 7.0 here. So we have 6s, 6.6s, 6.9, 6.6s, 6.7, 6.7, 6.8, 6.7, 6.9, 6.9, 6.6, 6.8, 7.0, 6.8, 6.7. Then we also have Papua New Guinea popping in here as a 5.7, Tonga 6.5. Then we have some 6.1s here, which were the next earthquake that came in, 5.2 and 4.9. I'm sure it's already going to have some aftershocks coming in. Then we also had a 4.0 that hit in Italy. So we'll get into that one in a minute. So as we're looking here, we're going to go look at this earthquake in Tonga. As we can see, both of these appear to be around the same area. So we'll take a look at both of these and where they have hit on Google Earth. So let's take a good look at the first one here. This is our first one. See the location here. Take a look at this. We'll back up. Take a look at this. This first volcano is Tafua. Whoop. Let's see if we can get this line here. And this is transform boundary here. And over here we have the Pacific Australian convergent boundary. And then here we have Tonga area here. So I don't know if these islands have anybody on them or not. That I don't know. This is the island of Tonga here. I'm pretty sure that there are houses and people that live here, and they probably did feel this. So let's take a good look at the next earthquake that occurred, which was the 6.1. And we'll take a good look. Remember, the first one was here. So the next one is going to be around that general location. So this one is just moved over a little bit towards same volcano of Tafui. So we see it's just moved over a little bit more towards Tafui. So I can't tell you that this is volcanic activity. This is a continental rift boundary here. So we have movement on the plate. That's continental rift boundary here. Oceanic spreading rift here. And we have the east law spreading center divergent boundary here. All right, so this is the area where those two 6.9 and 6.1 earthquake have just hit in Tonga. So let's take a good look. We're going to look and see if there has been any tsunami warning set up or any type of information yet has come in. 6.9 earthquake. And let's see if there has been anything that has come in for this yet. 32 minutes ago. Sorry, you guys, I'm looking over here to see if there's been anything. I don't know if this is it. This This Formentica magnitude 6.9 earthquake has struck Tonga region. The quake hit at about 12:30 p.m. local time. The USGS is reporting the epicenter as 21 kilometers southeast of Pangai at a depth of 131 kilometers. The U.S. Tsunami Warning Center says no tsunami is expected. Okay, so it was reported at an initial magnitude of 6.6 and has been since upgraded. And then the second one was a 6.6. So that was coming in from RNZ. Alrighty then. So that is good news. That is close enough for us that it's almost a 7.0 earthquake. So let's take a good look now, because there's also been a 4.0 that has just been listed in Italy. So we'll take a look at this while we are doing this video, because we don't tend to see bigger earthquakes in Italy. So this one is striking over here. First, we can see this looks like a hilly enough area over here. Seems to be houses here. Sorry, I don't speak French. That's a Sagittario, Salamadana del Rio. Don't know anything about that. This is a Societa. Maybe somebody else can read that. And I don't know what that means. This looks like a conservation over here. Anyway, that's where that one is hitting. We draw back, we can see exactly where it's hitting on the boot, which is up in here. And that is the Eurasia convergent boundary over here, which runs down through Italy here. And let's see what else, if anything, has hit in the last few minutes. Central California has had a 2.2. That's been a 5.3 aftershock Tonga, and shows a 3.8 and a 3.8 North Island of New Zealand. You would have to check New Zealand's own site to get the best readings for earthquakes. And I'm curious, earlier there was a buoy going off by Alaska, so I want to check and see if the buoy is still going off. So let's see, while I'm doing the video, if the National Data Buoy Center is still showing a buoy going off by Alaska. And there is still one going off here. So that's South Cordova. I don't know much about buoys, but I do know that this one is still going off, and it shows here that it is going off. I do know that there was an earthquake over here in this area, but I'm not sure what set this buoy off. So if anybody can find an answer for me, that would be great, because I was looking for an earthquake within this area. Anyways, you guys, hope y'all are doing well. Let's see. Let's look over here. Don't see any buoys over here going off. Just that buoy going off. All right. Hope y'all are doing well. Please be safe. If you like my video, please subscribe. Please share the video. Please tell those around you that you love them. And please have a great evening. Much love. God bless. And I will chat at you on the next one.